Hey, first grade. This is a big week. We are going to start our piano unit this week. I wanted to go over a couple of things with you before we start our piano things. If you are a virtual student, you will be doing all of your lessons at home. If you are a hybrid student, you will be doing half of your lessons at school and the second half at home. And I realize that virtual kids, this makes it a little bit more difficult for you. So if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me and ask anything you like. Some of you have pianos at home. If you do have a piano or a keyboard at home, feel free to use that for these lessons. If you do not, I have provided a link to a virtual keyboard and you can use that. We are going to start with numbers for our fingers. So I just kind of want to let you know, your thumbs are 1, pointer fingers are 2, middle fingers are 3, ring fingers are 4, and pinkies are 5. So again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So when we get to the numbers in the text that I've written, those are the numbers that we're talking about. The second thing that we're going to talk about is where to put your hands on the keyboard. And I'm going to have you look at the keyboard. We're going to do that by looking at groups of black keys. And then I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what's higher and lower. So here is the keyboard, and we are going to get around by looking at groups of black keys. So I want you to look down. There are groups of 2 and groups of 3. So you can find a group of 2 and then a group of 3. I want you to find all the groups of 2 and all the groups of 3. And then you should notice that they're in a pattern: 2, 3, 2, 3. And if I kept going, it would be 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. All right. So today we are going to use the groups of 2 black keys first. And when we're talking about 2 black keys, we're going to use 2 fingers in our right hand or 2 fingers in our left hand. And that will be your pointer finger and your middle finger always. If we are going to use 3 fingers, we're going to use a group of 3 black keys. So that will be your pointer, your middle, and your ring finger in your right hand, or your pointer, your middle finger, and your ring finger in your left hand. If you are moving to your right on the keyboard, that will mean you're going higher. If you are moving to your left, that will mean you are going lower. Lower left, right higher. All of the songs that you're going to play today have you moving your fingers one at a time. So either in groups of 2 or in groups of 3, one at a time. So you're going to move by finger number on groups of black keys only. When you're done, go ahead and pick your favorite piece. And then there's a link to Flipgrid. I want you to go to that website and record yourself playing your favorite piece and send it to me. Have a great week. I'll see you next time.